What's more reliable, Ford or Chevy? For decades, this argument has started fights in garages, truck meets, job sites, and comment sections all across America. Some people swear Ford builds the toughest trucks ever made. Others claim Chevy makes engines that refuse to die. And honestly, both sides have proof. But when it comes to reliability, which brand actually survives the longest? Ford built its reputation around toughness, work trucks, ranch trucks, construction trucks, vehicles meant to survive abuse every single day. Chevy built its reputation around simple engines, cheap parts, and trucks that could rack up hundreds of thousands of miles without making a big deal about it. Ford has legends like the 73 Power Stroke, the Ford 300 Inline 6, the Crown Victoria, and the 50 Coyote. Chevy has legends like the small block V8, the LS engine, the Vortec truck motors, the Tahoe, and the Silverado. But both brands had problems too. Ford had rough years with the 60 and 64 Power Stroke diesels. Chevy had issues with certain transmissions, fuel systems, and cylinder deactivation problems. So the real answer is not just Ford or Chevy. It depends on the year, the engine, and how the vehicle was maintained. If we're talking old diesels, Ford's 73 Power Stroke is one of the most reliable truck engines ever made. If we're talking gas V8s, Chevy's LS and Vortec engines are almost impossible to ignore. If we're talking work trucks, Ford has dominated job sites for decades. If we're talking cheap, simple, easy-to-fix engines, Chevy has a huge advantage. So who wins reliability? Ford wins for tough work truck reputation. Chevy wins for simple engines and cheap repairs. But the truth is this. The most reliable truck is usually not the one with the biggest badge on the grille. It's the one that was maintained the best. Oil changes, coolant, transmission service, no cheap parts, no ignored problems. That matters more than the brand. Because Ford built legends, Chevy built legends, and both of them built trucks people still argue about every single day. So instead of asking which brand is more reliable, maybe the real question is, which one would you trust to get you home? Like and subscribe for more automotive documentaries.